welcome back to the channel. Guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I make my spinach omelette. Okay, so here I have 2 medium-sized tomato, a quarter cut of onion, and 1 habanero pepper. Okay, and I have my eggs here. I also have a bag of spinach here. I'm gonna be using corned beef. Okay, you can use any meat of your choice. You know, if you have ground beef, you can use it. You can also use tuna as well for this recipe if you like. Okay, and I also have here my olive oil. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna be making this spinach omelette and I'll be carrying you along. Okay, come along with me if you are interested in seeing this video. So guys, I've gone ahead to chop all the onion, tomato, and the pepper. Okay, I have here the corned beef. I'm gonna crack some eggs into this bowl, and my spinach is here. Okay, so let me put on the stove now. Okay, and put some olive oil in the pan and let it heat up for a little bit. Okay, so guys, once your oil is heated up, you just dump in the pepper and let it cook for some time. Okay, so guys, in the pan I'm gonna put some oregano leaves, just a little bit, guys. Okay, I'm gonna add some thyme to it, and also a little bit ginger. Okay, give it a stir. It smells so good, guys. It smells divine. I'm not going to be adding salt yet because the corned beef have salt, so you don't want to be careful so that your food will not get too salty. Okay, so guys, while this is cooking, I'm going to be cracking up 3 eggs. So depend on, you know, the amount of people you're making for. I'm making for 2, so 3 eggs will be perfect. Or we can just make 4 eggs. So that's my 4 eggs. I did 4 instead. Okay, I'm just gonna whisk it now. So while I'm whisking the egg, I'm going to check on the tomatoes to make sure it's properly cooked. So cook your tomatoes, guys, until it is completely cooked. Okay, so guys, I think the tomato is ready now. Okay, you can see how it looks. It looks so delicious. Okay, so now we're going to add the corned beef and mix together. Remember, corned beef is salty. It has some salt in it, so you don't want your food to be too salty, guys. Okay, so you let it cook for a little bit, then you can taste for salt. Okay, so guys, it looks like I'm gonna be needing a little salt, so put a little salt in it and also add some salt in the eggs. Okay, so give it a quick stir. Make sure everything mixes together. Okay, then now you get your spinach, your bag of spinach. Okay, so add some spinach into your eggs like so. Okay. Depend on how much spinach you like. Okay, I don't like it too much, but at least enough, you know, for me to enjoy. Okay, then go ahead and pour in your eggs. So, okay, so make sure you stir, give it a shake, just to make sure the eggs cover every corner of the pan. Okay, all right guys, so let me go and clean up, then I'll be right back. So guys, you use your spatula now and go at the sides of your pan. Okay, then when you see it solidifies a little bit, then you flip the food over. Okay, so this side solidified, so I'm just gonna go now, flip it over. So you keep doing this until your egg is completely cooked. Okay, so whatever side solidifies, you go there and you flip over. Okay, so any side that is still running, that the eggs are still running, you leave it. Okay, until it solidifies. Once it solidifies, you go and you flip it over. That is it. Very easy to make, guys, and you really like it. If you are somebody who likes vegetable like me, you will really enjoy this dish. Okay, so you continue flipping over until the eggs are completely cooked. Then your omelette is ready. Okay, so I think it's ready now. Yeah, it's ready now, guys. Okay, alright, so put off the stove. So guys, this is our spinach omelette after we are done. Okay, it looks yummy, yummy, yummy. I'm sure give this a try, guys. You will really like it. Okay, especially if you're someone who likes vegetables in your meal. Okay, so thank you all for watching, guys. So you can eat this with boiled plantain, you can eat this with boiled yam, you can eat this with bread, you can eat this with rice, you know, anything you eat your normal fried egg with. You know, you can eat it for breakfast, you can eat it for dinner as well. Okay guys, I hope you give this a try. So give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Also share with your friend. And one last thing, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.